Pros of buying a fixer-upper. Let's find out. A lower purchase price. Although you'll need to spend more on renovating it, a fixer-upper house will come with a lower list price and down payment requirement. Less competition. Generally speaking, you'll find less competition for fixer-upper homes, so you're more likely to land the home you'd like at a great price. Chance to customize your home. Once you buy a fixer-upper house, you as the homeowner have the freedom to do whatever you please to it. Don't like the kitchen? Remodel it. Want a bigger living room? Expand the space. Quality control. With renovations, you're in charge. You can choose the materials, colors, contractors, and everything else. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.
My name is Sheila Lavadia, and you can always reach us at Sheila@SheilaLavadia.com or loanteam@SheilaLavadia.com. You can also reach us at 425 218 5534.